G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just showing you what scope of works we're on this week. We've got a 4-day clean at a big building complex in Burleigh Heads, gorgeous Burleigh Heads in the Gold Coast. We're doing from external gutters all the way down, balcony, balustrades, walls, external downpipes. We're soft washing, using a little bit of pressure where required. So yeah, it's coming through, 2-stage process. Get the soft wash solution up there, good heavy rinse down, and yeah, client's extremely happy, and yeah, we're shipping along nicely, and success at the end of the day.